Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling to get paid on Amazon KDP because your country isn't listed? Don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to use Payoneer to get paid seamlessly, no matter where you're from. So stick around, it's easier than you think. So here's the deal. Amazon KDP requires you to have a bank account in one of their supported countries to receive payments. So if you're registering for Amazon KDP and your country isn't listed, it can feel like a dead end. But guess what? With Payoneer, you can bypass this issue and still get paid directly into your bank account. Payoneer is a global financial service that lets you receive payments from companies like Amazon, Fiverr, and lots more. It creates a virtual bank account in the US, Europe, and many other regions depending on your needs. This virtual account acts just like a real bank account, allowing you to receive payments from Amazon KDP even if your country isn't supported. All right, so let's dive straight into the steps to set this up. Grab a pen, take some notes because this is where the magic happens. So what you want to do is to head over to Payoneer.com and sign up for a free account. Fill in your personal details and verify your identity with a government-issued ID. Make sure to select receiving payments as your main purpose. Once your account is verified, you'll get a virtual bank account details. If you're publishing on Amazon.com, you'll receive US bank details like a routing number and account number. Ensure to link Payoneer to Amazon KDP. By logging into your Amazon KDP account, go to Payment Settings and add your Payoneer bank details under the Direct Deposit section. Amazon will send a small test deposit to verify the account. Withdrawal of funds to your local bank, no hassle. Once you receive payments from Amazon, log into Payoneer to transfer the funds to your local bank account or withdraw them using your Payoneer card. But remember, always check Payoneer's conversion fees before withdrawing so you get the best value for your hard-earned money. So, thousands of authors around the world are using Payoneer. If you are not using it as yet and this is preventing you from registering on Amazon KDP, come on and get on board and start your self-publishing journey today. Don't let your geographical barriers hold you back from sharing your story and earning from your hard work. Now you know how to get paid on Amazon KDP, even if your country isn't listed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss out on any videos. Drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to help you out. Remember, we're in this together. See you in the next video.
Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.